Hello, it's Tanya with Tinkering and Ink with Tanya, and I am bringing you some projects that I made with the Spellbinders Kit of the Month kit. I just made a few projects, but I get the kit and caboodle, and I just started doing that in January. And it comes with amazing things, but the dies are fantastic. So this is the one that comes with the card kit. A couple frames, some beautiful foliage, and a lovely label. And then the small die of the kit, die of the month, comes with these, which are pretty awesome. And I haven't used these yet, but it's a pop-up that does the happy birthday on the inside. So all of these dies came in my kit and caboodle because I got the value pack that is all three of them at once. So these come in there too. I'm just trying to show you all of the dies without dropping them on the floor. Those are all of the dies in the large die of the month kit. So I'm not going to show you how I made these. I'm just going to show you some of the projects. These card kits, there are several unboxing videos. I'm not going to do an unboxing. If you want to see what's in the kit, go ahead and watch someone else's unboxing video. Or go click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to the kit that you may still be able to buy. There's frequently some available after the month is up. So it comes with a ton of ephemera. Lots of 3D items. It came with these two giant butterflies, which are very dimensional. And I do mostly cards, but I thought that is way too thick to go on a card that I would make. I like dimension, but more compact on cards. It's easier to mail than that way. So this one, excuse me, I did die cut some of the leaves to tuck in between the layers of the roses and butterflies. This is a die cut label from that die kit, and it is one of the designer series papers that's striped with white and a creamy gold color. And this is one of the little sayings it's not a sticker, it's a pattern paper weight ephemera. And it comes with 5 ribbons, I think, with 2 yards each. It's a lot of ribbon. And these beautiful paper flowers. So that's one. Oh, and this copper. Oh my gosh. Well, rose gold. This designer series paper has to be one of my favorites. Oh my gosh. This wine tag die is from Paper Tray Ink. And I've used it a ton. I just centered this strip of designer series paper on the die so I could get the same cut edge there. I did similar things with this one. This is the gold foil paper that they include, which is amazing. This die is actually from the Hero Arts February kit, which is an awesome kit too. Again, just cut this is one of the cardstocks that came in the kit. You get 11 sheets of paper. One of them is gold foil, 5 are cardstock, and 5 are designer series paper. I loved this designer series paper, and I just cut it. It's an 8.5 by 11 sheet. I cut it down into 4 quarters. And then this is one sheet between these 2 cards. Went with a similar layout. This is again from the Hero Arts kit, not the die, but the sentiment and the die cut word. These little enamel jewels came in the not the Hero Arts, the Spellbinders Card Kit. And this is one, I don't like to use the cardstock it comes with 10 card bases and envelopes in the kit. I generally take and cut those card bases down and use those for die cuts and layers. I like a heavier white card base that's smooth for my card bases. So that's just what I do. You don't have to do that. This is embossed with layered leaves, embossing folder from Stampin' Up. And this is actually a sentiment from one of the paper pumpkin kits. I used a few other things. That's okay. You use what you have in your stash. So those two, this is the textured cardstock that comes with the with the card kit from Spellbinders. And this is my last project. Again, more of the designer series paper. I did use some Crystal Nouveau drops, the clear, along with the enamel drops. I did trim down around, I fussy cut around these ephemera, so it was a little thinner margin. I like to do that. And this is one of the small die of the month kit die cuts in the background here. That's this one. A nice viney look. Some gold foil circle cut behind this piece of ephemera, and I just glued it all down. That's pretty much it. There was no stamping on this one. That came together really fast. All right, that's all of my projects for this video. Come back and check again soon. Bye-bye.